Interlaken. I go into Interlaken. Into London. We're in Macclesfield train station. See you later. Okay. In Macclesfield train station over there. See you here. Going to Buckingham Palace. Serio. Platform 2.
3 to 4.
Macclesfield.
Kennedy Avenue.
Kennedy Avenue. It's not Kennedy Avenue. It's Silk Road. Train is coming.
10 HQ.
Yan. This is our train station in Macclesfield. Macclesfield train station. Going to London to see Ina. See you later, Ina. Kutob na. Sa empanada. We are in London.
Interlaken.
No, it's not Interlaken. We're not in Switzerland.
No, Interlaken.
Eyes is red. Got hair on my eye last night. Trying to get rid of it.
That tree is packed.
Also in Marriott, London. Yan, Marriott Hotel in London. Was waiting for Ina. Ina, where are you? You're here.
On Interlaken.
We are in Marriott, London. Ayan. Marriott. Hindi na pumasok.
Wait lang tayo.
Ha? Ay. Mali. Ay, si Ina.
Nagbaki naman kasi tayo, tuloy-tuloy na yan hanggang Waterloo, hanggang ay.
May makain na naman doon.
Cardiff din.
Makain na naman doon.
Madami siguro ka.
Kasi meron silang pinupuntahan na kuan eh, yung kainan. Ano, doon kamo sa may parang kuan, palengke ba?
Yung mall parang
Market. Ito yung hotel namin. Oh. Hotel namin sa
bubudulin ko si Oyos ng
Marriott.
strawberry.
Marriott. Anong strawberry?
yung mahal na strawberry na nasa Borough Market.
Oh, si Dali, kamura lang ng Borough Market. The Groomsmeet. Pala, Borough Market. Ayun na. Yan, nasa Borough Market siya. We're here in Borough Market in London. Fish. Ito yung dinayo natin sa London. Turo-turo yan, daming pagkain yan. Ay, mga cheese, ayan. Stilton. Turo-turo ka na. What do you want to eat, Buso?
Chicken.
Gonna eat and bring it there. Saan si Ina? Saan sila? Oh, there. Sandwich. Black pig. Kebab. Yun, there. Gonna eat in there. Ayan.
Huh?
Apple crumble.
Hi guys, who's next? Hi,
Black pig. Black pig, ayan. So, black pig.
Bertha, right? Any allergies?
Yan. Yan pala yung black pig nila. Yan, lechon. Parang may wine.
Thanks so much. Just the very end. Hi guys, who's next?
Ha? Ayun na. Ay, Boro. Ayun ang paella. Ayan, Boro. Boro Market, London. Lots of people eating black pig. Ayan. Lollies. Ayun na. Kain na paella, ayan. Meron na chocolate. Kaya pinipilahan.
Daming chocolate.
Dami nilagay. Nakapila yung dalawa. Daming chocolate siya. Kakakape. Boro, yan. Boro. Starbucks. Yan. Church of England yan. Church of England. Yan, London. London's calling. Boro. Sa Boro to. Boro Market. Yun. Starbucks coffee. Bore. Sunog sa London. Ano?
Ayun yung parang nagbabayo.
Ano yun?
Hirap naman ang paakyat.
Matatanda na. Change your time. Ayan. London Bridge Station. We're going now to Buckingham. Jubilee Line. Golden Line.
Daming chocolate.
Eh Lola, ito pala si Lola's Cupcake. Oh. Lola's Cupcake. Going to Buckingham. King Charles. Here we come. Ayan na. Rest in peace. Ayan na yung Buckingham. Ano ang Buckingham? Ayan, lalakad-lakad lang ako sa pag-sit. Sige. Ayan, Ina in Buckingham. Buckingham Palace. Yan. Ito mo yung gate nila. Laki. Laki ng gate. Okay, sarado yan dito. Pasok tayo na sa may Palasyo. There's the Buckingham. Yan ang Buckingham. The Lion. pulis, ayan. Pulis. Laki ng gate nila. Ayan, may guard ng Buckingham. Yun ay. Nasaan siya mo?
Ay, di
Lollipop.
Ay, ang human drone shot.
Buso. Sarap ba yung lollipop mo? Ay layo ni Kuan, King Charles, ayan. Ayan, si Ina. Ay, si Ina, Post yan, ayan. Parang modelo ng Kuan yan, Calgary.
Lalapit ka kaya.
Si Oyos, naging taga-picture, ayan. 1 million picture daw, 1 million picture. Ayan, Buckingham. Sa Buckingham. Sa Buckingham tayo. King Charles. Tutulog si King Charles. May rest. Sorry, gonna fall down there. Yonggi at Buckingham Palace. Ayan o. Queen Victoria. Ah, traktor yan. Traktor. Ah, James Bond, ayan. At Jaguar. Arian London. Ayan, St. James Park. Ayan yung Buckingham. St. James Park. Ilog. River. Going to Big Ben. Ferrari. Ayan na. Sa Ferrari in Buckingham. Ha? Vancouver. Sa Dubai. Parang kananda, pakaraniwan. Yun. Yun ay Big Ben, no? Big Ben. Ay, Big Ben, ayun. We are in Trafalgar Square. Ayun mo siya. Kali. May Trafalgar Square. Yan, may big lion. There's a bridge. It's like a Millennium Bridge. San Juanico Bridge. Doon sa pinupunta namin sa Wales. Marami yan. Tames. Yan, London Eye. Ay, Big Ben. Yun. Oo. Tapos yung Buckingham andun. Ayan, makalugkog. Makalugkog yan. River Tamis yan, River Tamis. vloggers. Oh, welcome to London. We're the beautiful Big Ben that you can see over there. 3, 2, 1. There you go. It's a London Eye. Ayun, it's like an eye. That's why I call London Eye. Ito, mga patunog nila. Ayan. Free ride. Go to Bangladesh. Big Ben, where we come.